Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys? Did you know that actually you can automate your copywriting using AI? And that's what exactly we're going to learn in this course. Look at this. I generated this Google ad copy in less than 10 seconds using AI. So what I had to do is simply just to tell AI what product that I'm selling, the name of my product, and also the product descriptions, and just click generate, and in less than 5 seconds AI is going to generate me this beautiful high quality ad copies. And I also did the same thing for Facebook ads. So I just entered my product's name and then just click write for me, and then AI is automatically generating me this ad copies. And the same thing with YouTube and TikTok ads. You can generate a video from text in less than a couple minutes. As you guys can see here, we're using an avatar powered by AI, or this is actually not a real human, right? This is an AI powered avatar, but he is going to be the one that advertises your product in this video, which is very cool. Hello guys, welcome to my course. Welcome to the feature of copywriting, creating ad copy and video with AI. This is a comprehensive project-based course where you'll be guided step by step on how to create high quality and compelling ad copies and ad videos for Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, and also YouTube ads utilizing AI text-to-ads generator. This course will give you a whole new perspective about the future of copywriting, and you'll be fascinated by how far AI has advanced in the past few years, to the point where you can automate copywriting works using AI and save a lot of your time and energy. The course will concentrate mainly on 3 different aspects. The first one is how AI can be utilized to convert text to ad copies. The second one is how AI can be utilized to convert text to ad videos. And the third one is how to monetize your copywriting skills and potentially turn it into a sustainable business. In the introduction session, you will learn about which part of the ad creation process can be automated and sped up using AI. Then followed by getting to know more about criteria of successful ad copies and videos, such as value proposition and emotional appeal. Afterward, you will also learn how to design compelling CTA or call to actions using interactive and action-oriented language. Once you learned all necessary basics about automating copywriting using AI, the course will be continued by entering the main section, which is a full step-by-step tutorial on how to create ad copies for Google ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads, as well as learn how to create ad videos for YouTube ads and TikTok ads. In that sections, you will utilize variety of AI tools such as chatgpt, Copy AI, WriteSonic, WriteCream, Snazzy AI for generating ad copies. You're also going to utilize Creatable and Magic Brief for generating ad images, and also InVideo, Steve AI, and Deep Brain for generating ad videos. At the end of the course, you will also learn several strategies that you can implement to monetize your copywriting skills, like starting a social media marketing agency and selling a fully customizable ad copy templates, guys. First of all, before getting into the course, we need to ask ourselves this question: why should we learn to automate copywriting using AI? Well, let's talk about the copywriting perspective first. As the market moves toward the digital economy, more and more businesses are selling their products online. And in order to increase their sales, obviously they need high quality ad copies that will convince their potential customers to purchase their products. Therefore, the demand for copywriters in today's market has also increased significantly. Meanwhile, if we are talking from AI perspective, anything can be easily automated using AI nowadays. And that also includes copywriting. Can you imagine how long it will take you to create ad copies or ad videos? Well, it might take a while, right? Since you need to come up with your own creative ideas, then integrate those ideas with the market trends, as well as create the ad copies or ad videos from scratch. However, AI can generate you the ad copy or ad video in less than a minute. All you need to do is simply just tell AI about the product that you're selling, and that's it. Therefore, you will be able to save a lot of your time and energy, which will enable you to focus on other things that are actually more relevant. Well, we've gone this far, guys, but I have not introduced myself yet. So, hi, my name is Chris, and I've been creating more than 45 courses, including this course on Udemy. Previously, I worked as an IT consultant for the last couple of years before deciding to resign from my job and start running several online businesses like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products, including selling online courses on Udemy. Regarding copywriting, I used to do freelancing works on platforms like Fiverr, helping my clients to create compelling ad copies and ad videos for their ad campaigns. Not only that, in the past couple months, I've also been in the process of building my own social media marketing agency that will be focusing on lead generations. Last but not least, my intention behind creating this course is to help copywriters or people who want to be a copywriting specialist to learn how to utilize AI to its fullest extent to automate and speed up the ad creation process, which can boost your productivity and also increase sales significantly. So you guys, that was brief introductions about myself. Once again, welcome to the course. I'm so glad to have you here. I'm so excited to have you here. I'll see you guys in the next video.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.